Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security, and what we have today here is Audi Q2 2021 plate, brand new. And obviously, unfortunately, the customer does not have a reverse camera on this new car, so we retrofitted the factory style reverse camera. So as you can see, that's the camera there, and I'll show you inside how it looks like. So yeah, if you have a new car like this and you don't have factory reverse camera, we can add to it. So let me just show you now when you put into reverse. So you get that full factory looking original reverse camera. So yeah, if you want something like this installed on your Audi Q2, guys, so give us a shout on 0208 554 5554, or even leave us a message on info@carsoundsecurity.com. Thank you.